A little bit of a hurricane warning south between Acapulco and Manzanillo. This one, which was, as you can see, this is Monday evening's broadcast. This is the one we can see both tropical depressions on at the same time. Where this was off to Hawaii to cause trouble, but it's not. I'm afraid the second one is going to be more trouble. What it's going to do is coast crawl. At like nearly hurricane speed from Acapulco up to Manzanillo. Unfortunately, that's not the worst hurricane warning we've got on the chart. I wish that it was. As you can see, it's going to make landfall North Manzanillo by Mazatlan, which will be about 10 degrees at the time. Thursday next week. As you can see, that's a 24-hour storm, but it's being formed now in Acapulco. More dangerous storms life, although that is quite dangerous. Actually, more of a problem is here between Australia and Hong Kong. So this pressure system here, I think it's going like this. It's one of those iffy systems like this. We don't know whether it's going up to Japan over here. We've got a little hurricane over here just up Hong Kong. What it is it's going to look like this one's dissipated, and then it's going to reform. This one, we don't know if it's going straight for Tokyo or not. It's just the thing about that one particular position. Over one of the islands between Indonesia, Australia, and South America that quite often disappear and reappear depending on the tide line. As you can see, by Sunday the 15th, that's a monster big storm, just like off the coast of Japan. And what's happened is an interfering low pressure, like front line. It's like a wall has divided it into two separate bits. The outer of which is horrifyingly fast hurricane, and the inner of which is still quite bad. But just north of Tokyo, literally just north of Tokyo, which usually takes the brunt of that particular wind. You can see Tokyo there is 23 degrees. This wind's pretty scary. It's about 60 to 80 miles an hour. And this one's white wind, which causes loads faster. There might be some trouble down here between Tasmania. Tasmania is quite often in a path of a low pressure system that forms a giant storm that comes from the South Pole. And so is the South Island over New Zealand. That seems to be further away than it used to be. Is it just me? So as you can see, this is Wednesday the 11th. It's just nearly hit here. Yes, and then it's there you go, Sunday the 8th. It's just nearly here. Should be much less trouble than this particular storm and the one coming in after it.